After 30 seconds, it turns off. Open it up and then motion sensor again. That's how you get the closet open.
All right, let's take a look at another LED with sensors that you can put in your closet. You pretty much put it anywhere that you're gonna have a lot of traffic at night. And now this one has a little indicator, has a sensor, all right? Any kind of individual that passes by, it turns on. Has motion sensors, of course, and easy to use. There's built-in batteries. You need to charge them up. I think I have one that I haven't charged for like months already. And every time I open the closet and close the closet, it turns on. And we're gonna set up two more in the same closets because I'm missing two. So we're gonna take a look at this module and see how it works. And also just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what you get in this box. So let's open it up. All right, you don't need to drill anything. It has a magnet with a clip, if you guys can see it. So it's double-sided tape. You put it on the top of it, and it clips on. Now to charge it, it's going to be on this side right here, and it's a micro USB. And of course, there's an on and off button in auto. So on, it'll stay on permanently, like on, it'll just continue on. But if you put auto, which you drive it to the right, and that's only with motion sensors. Normally, it just turns on anytime you open the door, you close the door, and you can always go back in there and just click the button. And lumens, it's pretty bright. It'll give you enough lighting for anything that you want to shine, but very simple, easy. It says 6,000 Ks, so we're gonna take a look at it and set it up in one of our closets and see if that's the case. So let's go ahead and test it out.
All right, the way it works, we got a couple of them in there. So we're just gonna open the door, the closet door, and then motion sensor. And you can see that, easy. Turns on automatically, and then we just close it. It takes about a couple of seconds before the light turns off. So let's go ahead and do that again.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.